Hey guys, this is Steve from Valor Replicas, and I'm suited up tonight in my my Rocketeer costume because I wanted to share a costume detail that has made a big difference for me. One of the things that has kept me from wanting to wear this costume out in public more is the ability to get dressed on my own and get ready to go out wearing this costume. And the thing that has always frustrated me is getting the bib with the buttons attached and being able to sort of force the buttons through the buttonholes. And I'm usually covered in sweat by the time I get the bib on. So I've always been looking for a easier way to deal with that part of the costume. And I had an idea, and it took me a while to find the hardware to do it. But what I've done is I've replaced all of the buttons on the jacket itself with these really high power rare earth magnets that have a screw hole through them. So they're mounted through a 3mm screw through the leather to my jacket. So these are all in place. And then on the bib itself, I have a mating magnet. So one that'll match to that correctly. And then the trick was, like, what do I do for the buttons on the other side? Because this screw has to attach to something, and I couldn't get them to attach to the, the actual buttons that were on my jacket. So what I found, and I found these on AliExpress, are these, they call them Chicago screws, but they're huge. They're, I think, 20 millimeters across. They're solid brass, and they look almost near identical to a Rocketeer button on one side. And on the other side, there's a 3mm hole, a threaded hole that the screw on the other side can mate into. So the button screws into this, and I've got this on here. And I was not prepared for how easy this would make suiting up. I figured I'd still have to kind of go around and snap all these into place. And I want to show you how simple this is. So once you sort of align the initial magnets, yeah, in a snap, they all sort of snap into place, and I'm good to go. And they don't go anywhere. They're locked down for me to walk around. And then at the end of walking around in the costume, they detach as easily as any other sort of a snap would. I wanted to share this because I imagine other Rocketeers are as frustrated as I have been trying to get my jacket to attach, and this, I think, is going to be a lifesaver to me wanting to costume in this outfit more. So wanted to share. Thanks. Bye.